We are full. Neighbor's pond is totally full to the brim. Water still running in from the national forest here. Comes from way back there. And then it going over the spillway there. And it hasn't rained like in 12 hours. Just so much water that it's still kind of coming out of the ground and stuff. So that all flows down and then collects here and flows into ours, which is full to the brim as well and currently running under the driveway. So we do a little work in there. There's the creek there that got kind of silted up. Clean that all out. Comes from way up there. That water's still cranking. We are full, full, full. And still filling. So there it is.